Today we want to learn about MLTA. Okay, so part 1, assuming your house value is 500,000, MLTA, the banker will offer you a rate of 4.2% for 20 years. Say MLTA costs about 15,000, so total loan amount is 515,000. So let's check the interest paid. Open up your mortgage calculator, put in 515,000 because 15,000 is the MLTA. Loan with the interest is 4.2 for 30 years. Okay, so you look at the interest paid is 391,000. Total amount paid for the house is 906,000. Okay, so 391,000 for the interest paid. What if I don't take the MLTA from the bank? So the banker will say I will incur you a higher interest rate, which is 4.25%. Okay, let's check. Now my loan is only 500,000, but I have a higher interest rate, 4.25 for 30 years. So look into the interest paid is 385,000. 385,000. So from here, no MLTA is cheaper than taking the MLTA, although the MLTA interest rate without MLTA interest rate 4.25 is higher than with MLTA 4.2%. What if the client didn't take the MLTA? Today we would like to introduce a free MLTA. Okay, assuming we are using the same scenario, no MLTA, 4.25, loan is 500,000. Let's check our monthly installment. Okay, so 500,000, 4.25 for 30 years. Our monthly payment is 2459. Total interest is 385. Okay, so monthly installment is 2459, interest is 385 total after 30 years. Usually we want to settle the loan in 20 years, so now we make the installment to 20 years. Okay, 20 years term. So the monthly installment now is 3096 instead of 2,000 plus, but the in total interest paid now is only 243,000. Okay, so now it's 3096. That is the amount that we have to give to the bank as a monthly installment, but the interest paid is 243,000 for over the 20 years. So total have saved up 442,000. Simple say, to make this happen, we need to pay extra 637 per month to the bank. What if I put the 637 a month in AIA? What will happen? Okay, so let's check first. Let's check what happens on the 20 years. If I didn't put any money to the bank on the 20 years, okay, look on the 20 years, 2040. Okay, on the 2040, the amount that balance is 238,000. I still owe bank 238,000. Okay, so what if I put the 637,000 in AIA? Okay, so generated a new SQS. Okay, wealthcare, insured amount is 500,000. The house amount coverage until 80 years old, because the house usually cover until 70 years old. You can have the loan until 70 years old. Payment for 20 years. Okay, put the fund that you want. Okay, put on a waiver in case of TPD and critical illnesses. So 6692 only, but we need 7,000 plus, so there is additional 952 ringgit. Okay, so now I have generated a SQS with monthly of let's say, what is this? Okay, so what this policy can give us, this one is with monthly of 636, slightly lower than what we need, 644. But you look at into 20 years, the account value here is 289,600. Okay, so the SQS is 280, I say around 280,000. So what I can say that is after 20 years, you can surrender the policy and pay for the house cancellation, and what you can get for free is that within the 20 years, you have a free insurance of 500,000. So what's the difference? If you give to the bank the 637, you get a loan settled in 20 years, but you have to pay for the MLTA. Whereas you put into AIA, you can settle the loan and get the MLTA for free. Thank you.